showers and books will not make you a millionaire. But you know what will? Selling products online, baby. So what you want to do is when you're scrolling through Facebook, you'll see a lot of posts that say sponsored. What that means is this company is running ads so you can buy their product. What you would want to do from here is you could click on their page and see how long they've been running this ad. If they've been running it for longer than a month, then it's a product that you could start selling as well and taking a piece of those profits. Once you find a product to sell, what you want to do is you want to go to Shopify.com and you want to start creating your online store. Then what you want to do is you want to create a Facebook Business Manager account and then start creating your ads for Facebook. When you create your ads for Facebook, make sure you have one campaign with 10 ad sets minimum and 3 ads inside of each ad set. Make sure you put a budget of $20 per ad set. Let it run for 3 days. If you notice that you're profitable based on different KPIs, like your cost per purchase and your ROAS, then you want to scale your ads. But if you notice that you're not profitable, kill any ad sets that are not performing, keep the ones that are performing, and raise the budget of those ones so you can start scaling and creating huge profitability. Now stop wasting time. Go make that money online.